Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Series 8 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. To turn off this watch, simply press and hold the side button right here and keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. Once the menu appears on the screen, tap on the power off icon in the top right corner. Apparently I missed it. Let's tap on it again. Oh, this time it worked. And once you tap on the icon, you should see this slider right here. And to turn off the watch, simply slide to the right on the slider and release it. And after a couple of seconds, the watch should turn off. And that's how you turn off this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.